Hi everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into a question that's captivated car enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Is a $500,000 car actually worth the eye-watering price tag? If you're fascinated by cars that push boundaries, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's dive into what makes this $500,000 masterpiece a true marvel. Alright, let's talk engineering. Not just any engineering, but the kind that redefines the boundaries of what's possible. When you're dropping $500,000 on a car, you're investing in more than just a mode of transportation. You're not just buying a way to get from point A to point B. You're acquiring a masterpiece of innovation and craftsmanship. You're buying the culmination of years of research, development, and cutting-edge technology. Think about it. Every curve, every line, every component has been meticulously designed and tested. A Bugatti Chiron, with its monstrous 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, is basically a land-bound rocket ship. It's not just about speed, it's about the symphony of engineering that makes such speed possible. Or take the McLaren Speedtail, a hybrid hypercar that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric powertrains. It's a blend of futuristic technology and timeless design. These cars aren't just assembled, they're meticulously crafted by teams of engineers who live and breathe performance. Every bolt, every wire, every piece is placed with precision and care. They're constantly pushing the limits of what's mechanically possible, squeezing every ounce of power and efficiency out of every component. It's a relentless pursuit of perfection, a quest to create machines that are not just vehicles, but works of art. From wind tunnel testing to real-world performance trials, every aspect is scrutinized to ensure these cars deliver an unparalleled driving experience. It's about creating a connection between man and machine, a bond that transcends the ordinary. So the next time you see a luxury car glide by, remember it's not just a car, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a marvel of modern engineering, and a symbol of what's possible when passion meets precision. Now, let's talk about what it feels like to unleash all that engineering. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour times that make your stomach drop. Imagine glancing at the speedometer and seeing numbers that most cars will never even come close to. We're talking about cornering capabilities that defy physics, making you feel like you're glued to the road. But here's the thing, it's not just about raw speed. It's about the precision, the responsiveness, the feeling of absolute control that these cars offer. It's about the way they make you feel like you're one with the machine. Now let's step inside and talk about the experience of owning one of these masterpieces. Every surface, every stitch, every detail is a testament to the artistry of car making. Imagine running your hand over hand-stitched leather seats that are softer than anything you've ever felt. Picture yourself gripping a steering wheel sculpted from carbon fiber and wrapped in Alcantara. It's about the way the light dances off a custom paint job that took weeks to perfect. These aren't just cars, they're rolling sculptures meticulously crafted to create an experience that's as luxurious as it is exhilarating. Let's be real, folks. Owning a $500,000 car is about more than just the car itself. It's about joining an exclusive club, a select group of individuals who appreciate the finer things in life. When you roll up to a valet stand in one of these beauties, heads turn, conversations start, people take notice. It's a statement that you've made it, that you appreciate the very best that the automotive world has to offer. Now let's talk tech. These cars are rolling showcases of the most advanced automotive technology on the planet. We're talking about lightweight carbon fiber construction that makes these cars incredibly strong and agile. We're talking about AI-assisted driving systems that make every journey safer and more enjoyable. Imagine a world where your car can adjust its aerodynamics on the fly, where scratches on the paint magically disappear, where the infotainment system responds to your every command. These cars aren't just about luxury and performance, they're about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. Now some of you might be thinking, sure, these cars are fast and luxurious, but are they actually comfortable to drive? The answer is a resounding yes. These luxury vehicles are designed with the driver and passengers in mind, ensuring that every journey is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. These cars aren't just about performance, they're about creating an experience that's as comfortable as it is exhilarating. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with an array of premium materials and cutting-edge technology that make every drive a pleasure. Imagine sinking into heated and ventilated seats that massage your back as you carve through corners. These seats are designed to provide the ultimate in comfort, with multiple settings to ensure you find the perfect position. Picture yourself cruising down the highway in a cabin so quiet you could hear a pin drop, thanks to advanced noise-canceling technology. This technology works tirelessly to eliminate unwanted road noise, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful and serene driving experience. Thanks to advanced noise-canceling technology, this feature ensures that the outside world stays outside, providing you with a tranquil environment where you can relax and unwind. And let's not forget about the sound systems. These aren't just any sound systems. They're bespoke audio setups crafted by the best names in the business. We're talking about bespoke audio setups crafted by the best names in the business, systems that turn your car into a concert hall on wheels. Whether you're a fan of classical music or the latest pop hits, these sound systems deliver crystal-clear audio that will make you feel like you're in the front row of a live performance. Systems that turn your car into a concert hall on wheels. With surround sound and perfectly tuned acoustics, every note and beat is delivered with stunning clarity and depth, making your drive an auditory delight. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price tag. Yes, $500,000 is a lot of money. But here's the thing. Unlike your average commuter car which depreciates the second you drive it off the lot, many of these high-end cars actually appreciate in value over time. Think about it, these cars are rare, they're desirable, and they're only going to become more sought after as they age. So, while you're enjoying the thrill of driving a masterpiece, you could also be sitting on an investment that could appreciate significantly in the years to come. Racing heritage track-tested technology for the road. Now let's talk about the history behind these incredible machines. Many of the brands that produce these high-end cars have their roots firmly planted in the world of motorsports. Brands like Ferrari, Porsche, and Lamborghini have spent decades competing at the highest levels of racing, and that experience trickles down into every road car they produce. So, when you're behind the wheel of a $500,000 supercar, you're not just driving a car, you're driving a piece of racing history. Customization options, making it uniquely yours. Now let's talk about personalization. One of the coolest things about buying a car in this price range is the level of customization that's available. We're not just talking about picking your favorite color from a limited palette. We're talking about working with designers to create a car that's truly one of a kind. Imagine specifying the exact shade of leather for your seats, or choosing from a library of exotic wood veneers for your dashboard. You can even have your initials engraved on the door sills, or design your own custom luggage set to match the interior. The emotional connection, priceless. But at the end, it all boils down to this, the emotional connection. The emotional connection. Driving a $500,000 car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience. It's about the feeling you get when you fire up the engine and hear that roar reverberate through your bones. It's about the way the car responds to your every input, the way it makes you feel in complete control. It's about the sheer joy of pushing a machine to its limits and experiencing the full potential of what it can do. The verdict: is it worth it? So, is a $500,000 car worth it? It's a question that sparks a lot of debate among car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. If you value engineering, exclusivity, and the ultimate driving experience, the answer might just be yes. These cars are meticulously crafted, often by hand, and feature the latest in automotive technology. These cars are more than just transportation. They're feats of engineering, works of art, and investments that can appreciate over time. Owning one is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the experience, and the statement it makes. What do you think? Would you spend $500,000 on a car like this? For some, it's a dream come true, a symbol of success and achievement. For others, it might seem like an extravagant expense. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing your opinions and experiences. Have you ever driven a luxury car? What was it like? Would you consider buying one if money were no object? For more deep dives into the most fascinating cars on the planet, check out our other videos on Detroit Motor Marvels. We cover everything from classic cars to the latest supercars, providing you with in-depth reviews and exclusive footage. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for your weekly dose of automotive wonders. Stay updated with our latest content and never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content.